What's going on, guys? MD Creekmore here. If y'all remember, a few months ago I posted a video here on my channel letting you all know that I was looking for another homestead property. I'm looking to sell my property here and to move to a different location. I'm wanting to do that for several different reasons. One reason is to get closer to where my mom lives at now, so I can take better care of her, and a few other reasons also. But today, I was looking online this morning and I found another property that I think is worth looking at. It has 3 acres of land and it's about maybe 15 minutes from where mom lives at. So that would get me closer to her. And the land actually, it's the same size property I have here. I have 3 acres here, and the other property we'll look at today has 3 acres. But the 3 acres in the other property looks like it's a whole lot better land than what I have here. My land here is fairly hillside. I have some level spots, but it's fairly hillside here too. So it's actually kind of hard to work with. And you can work with hillsided land if you work it right, but it's a little, it makes things harder. This other land looks like it is flat. I looked at it on Google Earth and it looks really good. No close neighbors. The land is really good and flat, like I said, and it's already cleared. Has a mobile home on it. It's an older mobile home. I don't know what kind of shape the mobile home is in until I go look at it. It didn't really show no pictures of the inside of the mobile home, just on the outside. So that makes me think that the mobile home might be in pretty bad shape. I don't know until I go look at it. It's hard to tell. You see a property online, it will look so-so, and you can't really tell much about it until you actually go set foot on that property. Well, today, I'm going to take you all along with me. Excuse this camera shake, folks, I'm holding this by hand. Today, I'm going to take you all along with me, and we'll go up here, and we're going to look at this property together. Let's go.
But when I look at you now, there's no trace. I guess it's all been erased. You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. We're underwater, way off the shoreline. I try to reach you, but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again. I'm not surprised that you're feeling this way. I've long known that you're bothered by something. I don't believe that you're right when you say that we're better off this way. It's true as my mother did say, you can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared face to face, was it all just a game you played? You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. We're underwater, way off the shoreline. I try to but you're drifting away. We're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again.
can see it's got a good sized yard anyways. No real close neighbors. Trailer's in pretty rough shape, looks like. You can see in there or not through this camera, but it's got a decent porch on it anyways. Inside, you can see inside it looks like it's needs a lot of work inside. The roof is actually falling down inside there, looks like. So it looks like essentially if you bought this property, you'd just be buying the land, because this trailer's in pretty bad shape. It's a mobile home. I like where it's at. It's in a good location here. The land is good and usable. It's already fenced on both sides, looks like. The fence is, it's a fence post down there and it's already fenced. It's like I said, 3 acres. It's like the whole 3 acres is cleared off property. Go around behind the house here and see what it looks like. Like somebody has led us to someone that lived here before. There's a lot of garbage in the yard. Not a lot, but some, anyways. Got some outbuildings in the back. It's like it's a an addition on the back of the trailer, looks like. You can see. It's like it's in pretty bad looking shape too. There's been a big hornet nest at one time. Right there. Big old hornet nest. But I really like the land, but not the mobile home that's on it. Like I said, it's in pretty bad looking shape. It's an older mobile home. And there in the corner of the eave of the mobile home is another hornet nest. You can see, yeah, it's fenced on both sides around. Lots of junk. Somebody left some concrete block here. No dumping sign. That's odd. That they dumped it all up here, looks like. Pretty good view of the mountains over there. It's an outbuilding. You can see. Like an old workshop type building here they built. There's lots of junk inside the building. Right behind here, more junk. It's amazing that people will junk their yard up like this and not care. Just pile it back in the yard. I keep my stuff pretty tidy. Another old outbuilding. This one I guess in pretty bad shape too, the building does. You can see it's got a lot of old crap and junk in this building. Doesn't look very good. A person would spend several weeks cleaning the junk out in this yard here, as you could tell. So it's pretty bad with the trash and stuff thrown around the yard. But overall, this is in the back side of the property. And there's another outbuilding over there. That could be a chicken coop over there, looks like. Would be a good place for a chicken coop right there. Do a little work on that, put a little fencing around to make a run. Nest boxes and a pretty good chicken coop right there. And overall, I like the property, but don't like the trailer. But it's not livable, I don't think, even for a little bit till you got something else. But the property's good. property is nice and level. You can see it's already fenced. Good, lots of good garden places. And the closest neighbor across the road over there, looks like it's about 200 yards from the house place here. The what, Mom?
Window broke.
Window broke. Yeah, it is. It's cracked. Window cracked. Up here. And there's a dog. What, the dog comes to the property. You smell my truck, you want to pee on my wheels now, I bet.
Yeah.
What he's ready to do. But anyway, guys, that's it for this property. So we take a look at it today and show you all what I was looking at. And you can see it don't look too bad. The property looks real good, but the mobile home is an older mobile home, and it's definitely in disrepair and needs a lot of work to it. But it'd be cheaper, in my opinion, too, actually, just if you've got the property and have this mobile home completely moved out of here and put another one in here. Or put a camper in here or something in here, build something here besides this, because this is in pretty bad shape. I'd say the roof, the way it looked on the inside, it's had some leakage to the roof and probably mold issues and things like that. But the land is nice. The land's a good place, good location, good and flat, good and level, usable. Just the mobile home here is not in good shape.